Let's make some quick and super delicious chips masala. Place a pan over medium heat and add cooking oil to your pan. Add onions, garlic and ginger, and coriander stems. Cook until translucent. When everything is nice and fragrant, I'm going to add in tomato. Cook the tomatoes until mushy and well cooked. Add in some paprika. Add in a splash of water. Stir in. Add some ketchup. Stir everything together. When everything is nice and looking very delicious, I'm going to add in my fries. Coat the fries with the sauce and make sure everything is well coated. Just look at that. This is going to be so delicious. Garnish with some coriander leaves and my chips masala is ready.